there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a unicorn head. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a unicorn head. I'm starting with its ear. Here's its hair. Wow! Now I'm drawing its face. Here's its nose. And here's its eye. Now let's draw its horn. I'm using my pencil to draw some stars. I'm using my black pen to draw the outline. Let's clean all the pencil marks. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my yellow pen. I'm using my violet pen. I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my orange pen. Now I'm using my yellow pen. Wow, it's looking beautiful. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.